IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. Have you ever gotten lost? What happened? Band 5. Answer.
Yes, I got lost one time in a shopping mall. I walked too far, and I didn't know the way back. I felt very nervous, and I asked someone for help.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Basic ideas with some pauses. Lacks natural flow. Lexical resource. Limited vocabulary. Walked too far. Nervous. Grammar. Mostly simple sentences, limited range. Pronunciation. Clear enough, but not natural rhythm. Typical of Band 5. Can talk about familiar topics but with frequent hesitation and limited range. Band 7.5 Answer.
Yes, I remember getting lost when I was traveling in a new city. I was exploring the streets and suddenly realized I had no idea where I was. Luckily, I used my phone's map and managed to find my way back.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence. Smooth delivery. Logical sequencing. Lexical resource. Some precise vocabulary. Exploring. Managed to find my way. Grammar. Mix of complex and compound sentences. Pronunciation. Natural rhythm and clear intonation. Typical of Band 7.5. Speaks fluently with only occasional lapses in precision or naturalness. Band 9 Answer.
Yes, once I got completely lost while hiking in the mountains. My phone had no signal, and I had to rely on the sun's position and a paper map to navigate back. It was a bit stressful, but also quite an adventure.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence. Effortless. Natural storytelling with strong coherence. Lexical resource. Rich. Idiomatic vocabulary. Completely lost. Navigate. Quite an adventure. Grammar. Wide range of accurate, complex structures. Pronunciation. Fully natural, flexible, and expressive. And typical of Band 9. Fully natural, spontaneous speech with sophistication and precision. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.